Hey y'all, welcome to my channel.
Alright y'all, today I'm going to be coloring some hair. I know I probably have never colored hair on my channel, so this may be y'all first time seeing me do this. The reason being is just simply because it's very tedious, very time consuming, very messy, and I just really don't like doing it. Say hey to the ducks, y'all. But after coloring it, I went ahead and rinsed it out and started the plucking process. Make sure you comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see a very detailed, beginner-friendly plucking video, because I will be sure to get that done for you guys. But after the plucking process, I went ahead and started to style the wig before my client arrived. Today I am going to be removing an old install and applying a new wig. Make sure you thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I started the styling process, so she is getting curls with layers. So I started the layering process and the curling process. Now we're jumping into the removal. As you can see, hold me down adhesive, don't play. I used the Sport hold me down adhesive for her install, and it's been 19 days. And of course, we're going to go in with our very best friend, the laid off adhesive remover. What you want to do is lightly spray the laid off adhesive remover across the hairline and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you can see that it will just start to literally melt the adhesive away. And if you need to, you can go ahead and spray a little more as needed. But don't pull, don't tug. If it hurts, just wait a little while longer, spray a little bit more, and then continue to pull. She done been to Jamaica and back with this wig, y'all. So the hole is very much real. Very much that girl. You want to use soap and water. I like to use dish soap or just regular shampoo, any one of your choice, but the Dawn does get the job done. You can go ahead and use soap around the edges. Never use alcohol, because what that is going to do is irritate your client's skin, dry their hair out, and it's going to really affect the growth of your edges and the health of your edges. Never use alcohol to remove your wigs, and this is a learning lesson if you don't know this already. If you see your edges getting thin, trust me, it's because you're removing it with alcohol. And if you're using holding spray to hold your caps down, this is why your edges are thin. Please take it from me. I have did this trial and error process for many years, and I've learned over time that alcohol and your hair, it does not go together very well. So I like to do this ball cap method technique, and I have a detailed video on different ways that this ball cap method is effective and why it works the best. I'll leave the link down in the description box. Using the end of a rat tail comb is going to help you smooth the adhesive out very thin as you need it when it comes down to applying it over the cap. After you apply the makeup to the cap and inside of the lace, you want to spray the skin guard on top of the cap and inside of the lace as well. I'm applying 3 layers of adhesive, and you want to make sure you spread it out thin. Don't leave any huge clumps of glue behind. Move it on to the other side and spread it out as thin as possible. Once you've finished applying your adhesive, don't hesitate to apply the lace once it turns clear. Once you get the lace laid exactly how you want it, you can go ahead and cut from around the ears. These are the results from my updated how to properly bleach your knots video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go and check it out, and I'll leave it in the description box. Now I'm taking the IAmErickaJ glueless grip holding spray, and trust me, this is like the most amazing product when it comes down to securing your lace, also creating that flawless melt that you're looking for. Once I cut the lace off, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't have this product in your collection, make sure you add it to your collection ASAP. This is a HD 13x6 lace front wig, and this is from IAmErickaJ's collection. Before you guys ask in the comments, I already know what you're gonna say, but I love the results of this. As I said, that glueless grip holding spray is going to secure and hold that lace in place. The hold me down is gonna hold it down, but I promise you that glueless grip holding spray is going to add that extra hold. Now I'm just going to complete the styling process. As I told you guys in the beginning of this video, I did start curling it before it was on her head, so all I'm doing is finishing the front and styling the front as desired. The product that I'm spraying on the hair is the IAmErickaJ Sleek Sheen, and what this product does, it's a thermal guard, which is also known as a heat protectant. It's going to give your hair that lightweight, natural shine. It's not going to be extra greasy. It's not going to drag the hair down. It's not going to keep the hair stiff. This is actually adding body to the hair, and it's also helping hold the curl. One thing that's a pet peeve of mine is when you're using hot tools and the hot tools are drying the hair out. I don't like that. So that's why I invented this product, because whether you're flat ironing or curling, you want to make sure that you're keeping that hair vibrant. You want to make sure it always looks vibrant. Spraying on oils after the hairstyle is already complete can make it look too greasy and shiny. This is going to lock the moisture in as you're styling, so you don't have to go back in on top of the Sleek Sheen to make sure that it looks shiny after the style is already complete. This is going to be locking that shine in as you're styling. I'm going to curl a piece of the hair before I spray the Sleek Sheen so you can see the difference between using it and not using it. Once I finish curling this piece of hair, you'll see that it looks very dry. It doesn't have any bounce. It doesn't have any life at all. That's not the look that you want to go for. And if you didn't notice, there was no smoke coming from the curler as I was curling. Seeing the smoke come from the curler as you're curling is a good sign, because if you're not seeing that smoke, all it's doing is burning your hair. And when you're seeing the smoke come from the curler or the flat iron, whichever one you're going to be using, this is the product working. This is the product locking in that moisture and protecting your hair from heat damage at the same time. If you're going to be flat ironing or curling colored hair, you want to make sure that you have Sleek Sheen a part of your collection, because colored hair tends to be drier. And when you're using hot tools, you don't want to damage the hair any further, because as you know, coloring hair is a chemical process. And adding heat is also a damaging process if you don't have a thermal guard, also known as a heat protectant. So make sure you add the Sleek Sheen to your cart today. Once you take all of the pins out, you can just use a wide tooth comb to complete the style and bring all of the curls together. As I said earlier in this video, I did layer it, but once you comb all of the curls out together, you can layer more if needed.